Looks like Waxy just killed a bird here.
That's what she was after.
How can we help her? Or him, I don't know what.
Give me a paper towel. I'm just going to set it out. Give it a chance to recover.
Was that the same bird that lived in that nest?
No, that's a baby bird.
So which one do you think it was? Maybe that one.
Could be.
Did Waxy bite her?
I think it's bleeding.
So do you think it got injured like trying to fly? Trying to learn how to fly?
No, Lexi pulled it out something back there.
Oh.
So it's Waxy's fault?
Poor thing, it looks scared.
Do you think it knows how to? Yeah, it knows how to fly. Never mind.
Oh, it's a little baby, but I don't think it knows how.
But you said it got injured during flying.
I wonder how we can help it.
Poor thing.
Is it a wren or a sparrow? What do you think it is?
All right. We're just going to set it over here.
Look at the yellow markings. Oh, it's scared. It's scared.
Ooh. Ooh, what did this do?
I hope it didn't die over there, though.
What do you think it's doing in there?
It's trying to recover